Hi, good afternoon. This is ABV from ABV Store again. And this afternoon, we're going to check out one of the pre-orders from Sir. So, ito yung kanyang pre-order sa amin from the last month. So, maaga rin itong dumating. And this is his unit. It's the Lion Steel M1 in black G10 with satin finish. So let's dive into this and check this out real quick before shipping. So it has the Lion Steel manual and wow, it's a little blade. It comes in a leather sheet. As you can see, it's very small. Let's check out the blade itself. Careful not to. Oh, it's a very little blade. For those you who are wondering what size is my hands, I use a XL gloves. So my hands is extra large. And that's the blade. See if I can put my foot finger on the knife itself. It's quite small for me, but this is his item, so it's a good fixed blade. So this Lion Steel M1, it's in M390 steel. So you have a full M390 full tang. You have a lanyard with a titanium bead. So yeah, this is a nice knife. Let's see if it's centered. Okay, it looks good. Yes, it looks good and clean. The sheet comes with a leather sheet. So there you have it. So thank you for reordering this, and it's going to be yours soon. Okay, so there you have it. The Lion Steel M1 fixed blade. It's a EDC size. It's very small. You can put it in your pocket, or you can use the belt loop if you want to.